Now, can we talk about your chain?
Yeah, we can talk about that. Let's talk
What's
about
the
my
meaning?
chain.
What's the meaning behind it?
The Pac-Man. Man, I got a record that I dropped called Pax. And it's funny how people always just kind of start calling you stuff. But a lot of my partners actually just started calling me Pac-Man. And a buddy of mine actually came up with this logo, man, and drew it out. And when I saw it, I was like, you know what, I got to take that to my jeweler, man. Shout out to Madon, man. He made that piece, man. It's clean, too.
Where's he out of?
He's in Alpharetta.
Now, how much does a chain like that cost?
You know what? I'd rather not brag, but I got a video with Madon talking about it that's gonna be on the documentary, man. So I'll let Madon tell y'all about the pieces and the technical shit and all that.
So as far as it, I mean, is it heavy? How much does it weigh? And
it's heavy.
Can you? I mean, as far as like technical aspects, I know you said you rather let him tell it, but can you say anything as far as how many diamonds?
The only thing I know is it was like it's like 17.5 carats or some shit like that. But that's it. I don't remember the weight on the gold and all that shit.